Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 20th. So, we will first start with the trend. We talked about having a bullish move for today on GBP USD. So, we actually had that bullish move. Though the bullish move we had today was not that much. I think we had about 30, 35 pips bullish move, which is not much. So for the next day, we believe we would have, about 70 to 100 pips bullish move. Now let's start with this. We can see that this trend is actually an uptrend move. Markets give us three movements: an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So what we are seeing here is actually an uptrend move. We can also see that this price is trading above the 10 period simple moving average. So definitely this is still a bullish move. Now, if you take a look at this will be seen as a pullback. I think it is more visible on the forward time and weekly time frame. Sorry. So I mean, if you take a look at the weekly time frame, if you see something like this to be an ice, to be a pullback, then you take a look at this to be an ice. When you see this on the forward time and weekly time frame, this is a pullback. Now, in the long run, we will be expecting more bullish move. So by next week, we should be able to take out this level, which is a level of 1.2697, right? So at least that should be giving us about 300 pips. So watch out for more bullish move on GBP USD in the long run. So to be able to predict this price for the next day, we will definitely go to the forward time frame, and we can see the forward time frame. It is giving us an uptrend move, higher highs and higher lows. Definitely, we would want to go ahead and trade with the trend, right? So what we've just gotten here is a pullback on this GBP USD. There was, let's take a look at this to be a movement up, then a pullback, another impulse move up, and this what plays out here is actually a pullback. So you are expecting a new ice that will be made for tomorrow that will actually take out this previous ice. So a new ice needs to be formed on this hour 4 hour time frame. So expect more bullish move. So even take out this ice here, this level here, I think we should be able to have about 60 pips, and we should expect a bullish move of 60 pips the next day. Take out 60 pips, and if price will break out of it, then at least we should watch out for about 100 pips. Above all, this GBP USD, we should expect more bullish move.